Use cold. Forget that they used to have real
Yo, like, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my friend Nicole with me.
Hi.
So you guys seen her in the past video I did with my other friend Chantel. I'll link it up there for you guys to watch. It was just a chit chat, like get ready with us. We're kind of gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna get ready, show the products that we usually use. Me and her really like makeup a lot. We talk about it like 24/7. So so yeah, if you want to follow her on Instagram, I'll put her Instagram right here for you guys to follow. She's a baddie. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you want to see more videos with Nicole, just comment down below and let's get into the video. We did our eyebrows off camera, and again, if you want to see how I get these eyebrows, she usually does the same technique as I do. She usually does eyebrow pencil. And there's kids.
Is it not school?
It's school.
Jesus Christ.
But anyways, if you hear kids, there's kids, like there's like a park thing. And my brothers are watching FIFA, so if you hear yelling, it's over there too. But anyways, but yeah, she does her eyebrows with eyebrow pencil, but I use the Anastasia pomade. So if you want to see how to get those eyebrows, I'll link it up here too for you guys to watch. And yeah, we'll just get started. So let's go. So I'm just gonna prime my eyes using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, like I always do. Same techniques. I use medium beige.
I use warm honey.
I use warm honey. Okay. So everything we're gonna be using in the video, if we don't mention it, I'm just gonna write it down in the description, of course, for you guys to watch, see what we used. Which palette am I gonna use today?
All of them. She's Carly Bible.
No.
Okay,
so Carly Bible. I love her. She's a good YouTuber. I like her.
She's so pretty.
She's really pretty. But I got her first one. So I had a phase where I just like neutrals.
And I broke her color virginity.
Yeah. So now I have like a lot of different color palettes. So it's kind of
like a 1-2 neutral palette is okay, but this girl wanted 10.
Shut up.
Every time she'd be like, this one.
I think I'm just gonna use Zulu today and MakeupShayla. So if you guys want to see the review of the MakeupShayla, of course, I'm gonna also link it up here for you guys to watch. I really like her products, so I'm actually gonna use like all her products in this video. You know, I love it. So I'm gonna be using the Zulu one today.
I'll probably be using more of the festival. Why is there orange in my black? I want to try the Douce palette because I haven't used it yet.
Douce palette it is. Ooh, that's pretty.
It's so pretty.
Ooh, I kind of want to try this color.
Yeah, it's so pretty. I think that's going to be the transition color. Crepes.
Crepes.
I feel like we stopped setting the concealer.
Yeah.
It makes it
so much pigment. Yeah. I'm going to add some pink.
Yeah, it's gonna be a dramatic look today.
Yeah, I'm going dramatic.
I was like, no, I'm gonna do something simple. Nope. We're going in for the kill. Which one?
Killer.
The pink in the middle.
Let me see.
Both of them. This one and that one.
That's like purple pink.
Yeah.
And then that's pink. Ooh, that's pink.
Oh,
I kind of want. I'm gonna dip into that one.
Girl, be my best. Yes.
You know what? Makeup is life. You know. It's part of life.
I feel like I've been using so many different brushes lately.
Yeah, some girls do. I watched FIFA with my parents
when I was younger.
Yeah.
When I cared.
I love me some Neymar. You know.
Girl, calm down. So I'm gonna do a pink cut crease.
Yes. I was thinking of doing like.
I saw pink. I saw that and that.
Yeah.
We have pink flowers.
I love flowers. Flowers is nice.
Flowers are nice, but you do too much.
What do you mean I do too much? Flowers is nice.
Every day I see flowers.
Flowers is beautiful.
Flowers everywhere.
My dad. So I'm gonna take
Come
some
on.
purple. Please blend your eyeshadows.
For Nicole and Jody.
I see
Just
some
blend
girls
your
and I'm just like,
eyeshadows.
Hunty, I want to help you.
What did she say to the kitchen? Honey, I don't want to help you.
Honey, I don't want to help you.
I don't want to help you. See it.
Ooh, those lashes are really nice. These
Yes.
ones.
Those are
Really nice.
yes. AliExpress, y'all.
AliExpress, y'all. I'm gonna
telling
buy
you,
some.
I don't want to expose people, so I'm gonna shut my mouth.
Yeah, just shut up.
But honestly, AliExpress has the best lashes. Go on AliExpress. She'll link the store down
yeah,
below.
she'll tell me the link.
Yeah, the store's called Viso Free. Yeah.
Yeah.
$2-3 lashes, super cheap, and they're really good quality too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut my crease.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut my crease old school.
Old school.
No brushes, just the
Ooh,
Eyebrow.
I don't know. I never did it.
You've
like
never
that.
done it? I always do it like
Oh,
that.
I forgot to put some Blistex on my lips because my lips get dry. Wait, let me drink some water first. Water is key to clear skin.
Drink water, mind your business, and that's how you get clear skin.
Yes.
I always tell people, they laugh, it's the truth. If you mind your business and you just drink water, it's really good because God will gift you with clear skin. Yes. And the crease.
Regular.
That's some OG shit right here.
Regular.
Cutting your crease with just the Eyebrow. This process is
She got some
risky.
balls.
This is how I always used to do it.
Really?
Because I used to have that eyeshadow primer.
So Jocelyn has the show?
Yo, she has a show coming out. Yo, Jocelyn Hernandez has a show coming out.
Yo, Jocelyn.
I love Jocelyn so much. I was so upset
Yeah, when
when she
left,
quit
yeah.
Love and Hip Hop. Quit, got fired, I don't know.
Whatever it is.
Whatever it is. But I was really upset because she made the show, let's be real. Now, let's just talk about Love and Hip Hop. Now
She watches it deeply. I don't watch it deeply.
I
like
watch
that.
it deeply, but now the show is basically about Kirk and Rashida and how Kirk can't keep his pee in his pants. And it's just like, I'm tired of it. Like, how many more, I keep kicking the table. How many more seasons is he going to cheat on her? And how many more seasons is she going to forgive him? I'm tired of the storyline. It's getting old. It's gotten old. It got old and died.
I think she should have like her own commentary of like Love and Hip Hop because her like theories are like always right. She knows what Mona Scott plans.
I know.
Literally.
Like Mona Scott. We all know what Mona Scott does. What did I say Mona Scott's gonna do for next season again?
I don't remember.
Someone's getting added to the show. But like, and we were talking the other day about like these guys who are on Love and Hip Hop, and like we forget that they used to have real careers back
Yo,
in the
like
day.
you know, like sometimes they say it, but like I'm just like okay, whatever.
Like,
but
I was
and
just
then
telling
like
her
yeah,
the other
I
day
was
that like
damn.
if you're an OG Nicki Minaj fan, you remember the song Massive Attack, and Sean Garrett sang the hook, and we're like, and look where he is now. What are you gonna do about it?
Yeah.
I guess somebody.
And someone scored.
This is beautiful.
Oh no, he didn't.
Oh, they didn't. But yeah, like these men used to have real careers, and I find that so weird. I'm gonna set the concealer with just a teeny weeny a teeny weeny bit of setting powder. Translucent powder.
I got a tweet from Little Mix. I need them to drop an album.
Yeah, honestly, where are they?
They're in the studio.
Because, like, think about it. Fifth Harmony dropped tracks upon tracks, charted, and then broke up.
No, while they did drop something, Little Mix dropped something, but they dropped the platinum album of their last album with extra tracks. Yeah.
This color, what's it called? Puffs. Puffs.
Oops, I got
I'm better.
I want you bad as ever.
Bryson Tiller.
Bryson
I still
Tiller.
like Bryson Tiller.
I still like him. Has he dropped any music?
I think he dropped something either in the end of last year or the beginning of this year. He dropped something.
I know he dropped that album. It's really nice. I have
He's
it.
so fun.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, y'all know
He's
now.
cute.
He's my husband.
Everybody's your husband. Kofi thinks your husband.
No, he's not my husband because he's dating Ducky. Ducky took
But we
it.
love Ducky.
I love Ducky,
Yo.
so I'll allow her, okay?
Yeah, she let it go. But usually she doesn't let people go like that.
I don't really.
She does not.
You know who I let go? Quavo.
Oh, you actually did let
And
go
I
of
switched him
Quavo.
I switched him for Takeoff.
Take off, yeah.
I've done a cut crease in so long, guys.
Liners.
I was the cut crease queen in
Yeah,
the summer.
she always used to do the cut
It was a
creases.
cut crease every day.
All the time. Okay, got it. All right.
How is that?
She's gonna go off camera to do
Not
her.
really off camera. I'm just gonna move the chair.
She's gonna move the chair because there's a big mirror in there.
Okay, Jody.
I kind of just want to leave it like
What
this.
does that mean?
I'm done, guys.
Yeah,
She was on X Factor, and that guy came. He's like, "Well, you use
I
auto
was
tune."
like, somebody slap him.
I was dying.
Demi Lovato has patience, eh?
Yeah, he paid.
Because who was that one from X Factor UK? Talissa? If someone said
Yeah,
one thing, she'd be like,
Yo,
off the stage.
Talissa, she doesn't
wasn't
care.
having it.
I figured what I'm doing. I had to turn the camera off to figure it out. So I'm putting the purple shadow, and I'm leaving a space between my actual lid and that cut of the crease. Okay, now I'm gonna take another flat brush and put the pink at the edges.
I'm back.
She's back and she's better.
From my train the dogs to sleep through the nights.
Let me sit this ass. Thick. Nothing wrong with being thick. I just need a kind of a thin one. Yo, we're sorry guys. We should be talking, but we're so focused right now. This is some looks we're trying to give you guys. Under.
Use cold. Prime my face with the Maybelline Master Prime. The color, this is color 50. It's the Hydrate and Smooth one.
Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyeliner.
I'm so happy.
Yeah, because I just had to make sure I'm taking my time.
Yeah. I'm going off camera again, guys.
I'm going off camera too. See you in a bit.